Hey guys, before I get started, I just want to do a quick shout out to the Venture Unknown Foundation. They're a really awesome charitable organization. They're able to hold really cool events like Winter Wonderland 2026. If you've never heard of them, look them up on Facebook. They're really great, and if you're into off-roading or just nature in general, check them out. Here we are, as always, last minute preparation. Strapping the trucks down, had to get chained. Oh boy, we always do this. We always wait till the last minute, then panic the night before. Ugh.
Y'all get back there, I don't see any headlights anymore. Yeah, we're stopped up here with this.
craziest thing I've ever seen in my life. I'm from Florida. We have ice machines. You have to go buy ice. Look. Look. It's all over the ground. It's crazy. It's everywhere.
Shot of it flexing out. That looks nice.
You're going up on the rock.
Come on, Mike. Stop goofing around.
Bottle jacket too.
It's so
Did you weld that thing?
yeah. snow. Honest to God snow. 34 years old. Florida. Check out that rock. Snow, yes or no?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah?
Yeah, this is awesome.
Yeah, there you go. Florida men solved the snow problem.
Yeah. Somehow we found a bunch of mud.
Yeah, we're used to that. All right, guys. We're packing up right now. We just got the trucks loaded up. We just finished the flex ramp competition. It was pretty fun. We didn't win. I think Mike came in third and I came in fourth. We got beat by some pretty cool rigs. I'll post the video. I'm pretty sure I got them. There's an orange Land Cruiser and a really, really cool solid axle 4Runner with 1 tons. So we're getting this all set up. We have Mike here working on wiring on this old trailer. How's it going, Mike?
I hate this.
Yeah, well, you should have done it 2 days ago.
It's not helpful.
No, it's not, because I could have helped, but I'm not going to. Anyway, a lot of fun. Windrock. I'm sure if you're watching this, most guys know, most off-roaders know Windrock is kind of off-road mecca here in the East Coast. There's side-by-sides. But yeah, I don't want to get this going too long. You guys probably don't want to hear me talk about this crap, but it was a lot of fun. Met a lot of really cool people, saw a lot of really cool rigs. Got to push the truck some. Didn't break anything, so that's good. And had a trail fix on another guy's rig. I was able to pull a couple pieces of hardware out from my rear bumper to fix their brake caliper. But all in all, fun trip. Everybody make fun of Mike in the comments, because that'll be funny.
We actually lost all of our trailer lighting.
Really?
Yeah.
How? Oh, it came loose?
Yeah.
You think that was it?
Not all of it, no.
Yeah. So we had no turn signals.
Yeah. And brake light.
So we had no turn signals or brake lights. Whoever wired it up fucked it up. We're trying to get marker lights ready for nighttime. We're at Buc-ee's here outside of Dalton, Georgia. I have this auxiliary switch panel for my lights, and I have 2 open 20 amp circuits, so we're going to try wiring in the marker lights and the brake lights, so at least at night we're visible. Not optimal, but we're going to see if it works. Hopefully it doesn't pop the breaker or blow a fuse immediately. This trailer that we're using is fucked as far as wiring. It's really bad, so we're just trying to get home. We'll see what it does. Push this button right here. And they turn on and off. We have lights. Okay, so we made it about 500 feet across the street from Buc-ee's, and the turn signals and everything stopped working. Turns out the plug came loose, and we're working on it. You can see Buc-ee's. Across the street. So sometimes wheeling your own junk means driving somebody else's junk. In this case, a shitty trailer with bad wiring that we're just doing our best to fix so we can go home. You save money on that, so you can spend money on things that matter, like tires and bead locks. Yeah. If you like this video, hit that like button. It does me a lot of good and helps me put out more videos like it. If you want to see more, hit subscribe. I try to put out a video every few weeks, life permitting. Until then, I'll see you next time.